there, Miss Sara from the Hope of YMCA, and today I'm going to show you how to make salsa chicken. This is a quick and easy dinner that takes roughly 20 minutes. And when I make this, I usually make it with white rice, brown rice, and with a salad. So let's get started.
So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, diced tomatoes in a 14.5-ounce can, rice, apricot or peach preserves, a packet of taco seasoning, a pot with a lid, some measuring utensils, something to stir or saute, a ziplock bag, a large skillet, and a knife and a cutting board. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get my rice ready. So this way, by the time I'm done with the chicken, it'll be done boiling. Next, I'm gonna dice up the chicken. You don't wanna make them too small, but you also don't wanna make them too big either. So this size is good enough. That's a good size. Probably maybe no bigger, or just roughly around the size of a quarter. Just a heads up, if you have any critters in the house, this is what's gonna happen. Yes, I know, you want chicken. Here. Next, we're gonna add 1 packet of taco seasoning into a big Ziploc bag. Next, I'm gonna take up the chicken that I just cut up and I'm gonna put it inside the big Ziploc bag with the taco seasoning. Start shaking it up. And then you want to make sure that all the pieces, almost all of them, have like an even coating of taco seasoning. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the large skillet. And then I'm gonna let that heat up for a minute or 2. Once the oil has heated up enough, put your chicken into the large skillet. Careful that you don't splash yourself. And you're gonna saute the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. So the chicken should be well cooked, meaning that there should be no pink on the inside. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of apricot preserves, or you can use peach preserves. And then I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes, 14.5 ounces. Stir that up. And then you can put a lid on it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. All right, the rice is done. So I'm going to get my helping of rice. And I'm going to top that off with the salsa chicken. And there you have it, a yummy dinner of salsa chicken with a helping of salad.
Well, I can't wait to dig into this meal, and I hope you enjoy too. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit!